Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am back here with another food video, and this time around I am making something centered around fall. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I made this fall cozy warm breakfast, y'all. As you see here, I added in my liquids, which was basically just water and soy milk, but you could use any milk of your choice. I then added in a cinnamon stick with some allspice and stevia to give it a sweetness, which of course some salt. You should always add salt with y'all food, y'all, even if it's just a little bit. If it's a sweet meal, you still got to put salt in it. And then I added in my oats. This is pretty much something that I eat on a regular day-to-day basis with me and my husband throughout the week, but I wanted to give it more of a fall flavor and spices with it because it's the fall season and I'm very much in the spirits this year, so I'm just finding any reason to make something fall themed. Now, I know y'all probably thinking, what did you do to the oatmeal? I am a nursing mother, and when my baby goes to sleep, I'm not going to get up to go check on the oatmeal. Luckily, I had this on low, but as you can see here, the oatmeal pretty much sucked it all up. I was going to take this out the video, but I just wanted to show you guys the true reality of being a nursing mother. Sometimes this happens and it's okay. It's not going to ruin the meal. I did add in some Greek yogurt, specifically lactose free because your girl is lactose intolerant, and added in some liquids to just rejuvenate this meal. It was still just as good. I did have to add in just a little bit of sweetener. As you see here, I did add pure maple syrup. Now be sure, always add pure. Don't add the regular syrup because it won't taste the same. Pure maple syrup all the way. Then I'm cutting up some apples because what's not the perfect fall fruit but an apple, y'all. So I'm chopping up these apples here because I'm going to add this as my topping for my oats for this week's breakfast. I love this meal. It definitely helped me just bring fall into everything for me, especially because it's my first time even really celebrating fall for what it is, and that's just another of God's creations when it comes to the season. So I just truly want to be able to enjoy what he has given us this year, y'all. So of course, always got to measure your oats because you don't want to overeat, y'all. Okay, added in my apple. I think I had like a half an apple here. That's just how much I eat. It's not for like portion control or anything. That's just how much apple I eat. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.